In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic dropdown to your Jotform. If you're looking to enhance your forms by making them more interactive and user-friendly, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Jotform dashboard. Make sure you're at the My Forms section, as this is where you'll find all the forms you have created or are currently working on. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the specific form you want to modify. Got it? Great. Now simply click Edit Form, which will allow you to enter the editing mode for that particular form. Once you're inside the form editor, you'll notice a panel on the left side of your screen. This is your go-to place for adding new elements to your form. To begin the process of adding a dynamic dropdown, look for the button labeled Plus Add Form Element. It's usually quite prominent, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Go ahead and click on that button. Now that you've clicked Add Form Element, you'll see several tab options. What we want is the Widgets tab. Click on it, and you'll be introduced to a wide array of powerful and customizable widgets designed to enhance your form's functionality. To find the dynamic dropdown widget quickly, use the search bar at the top of the Widgets tab. Simply type in Dynamic Dropdown, and it should appear in the results below. Once you see the dynamic dropdown widget in the search results, click on it to select it. This will prompt Jotform to prepare this widget for your form. Now it's time to bring that widget into your form workspace. You can do this by clicking and holding the widget icon with your mouse or trackpad. While still holding it, drag it over to your form. You might be wondering exactly where to place this new dropdown. Well, thankfully, Jotform makes this easy by providing you with clear indicators that guide you on where to drop elements as you drag them around. Look for the location in your form where you want this dynamic dropdown to appear. Maybe you want it at the top, or perhaps it fits better towards the middle. Wherever it makes the most sense for the structure of your form. Once you find the perfect spot, simply release the dropdown widget. And just like that, you've successfully added a dynamic dropdown to your Jotform. You can now customize it further by clicking on it and adjusting any specific settings or options you need. This might include adding the options for each level of your dropdown, ensuring everything functions precisely as you envisioned. And there you have it, a dynamic dropdown, ready to make your Jotforms more interactive and customized to fit your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your Jotform experience.